indicates ripeness. Good pomegranates contain about 600 areoles. The pomegranate tree can reach heights of 5 to 10 meters. Pomegranate fruits are gathered by workers from pomegranate trees and placed inside baskets. When they are 3 to 4 years old, pomegranate trees begin to bear fruit. Over 300 pounds of pomegranate fruit are produced annually by a single tree. The box is filled by cleaning the dirt and dust from the skin of the pomegranate with the robot. Basically, on the pomegranate farm, the boxes filled with pomegranates are collected by tractors and taken out of the farm. Boxes containing pomegranate fruit are later removed from the tractor and loaded onto the truck that will transport them to the factory. At the global level, India is the world's largest producer of pomegranates. In 2021 and 2022, India produced 3,312 tons of pomegranates. Now, we'll see how pomegranate juice is made from pomegranate fruit in the factory. Forklifts transport boxes full of pomegranate fruit to the factory washing plant line. Through this line, the boxes enter the washing plants, and there the fruits are poured into the water from the box. They are removed from the water by a fruit sorting machine, and a line wipe dewaters the fruits. Next, workers will remove the persistent calyx from the pomegranate fruits. Also, workers remove rotten pomegranate fruit from the line. Then these fruits are put through the cutting line to the cutting machine so that the seeds inside the fruit are separated from the leathery exocarp. The leathery exocarp is the shell of a pomegranate. The areoles of the pomegranate fruit are used to make pomegranate juice. The seeds are then rolled underneath the roller machine. As a result, the juice from the areoles part of the seeds accumulates under the roller machine. These juice tanks, which will later be transported to the juice filling plant, are currently being filled. On the opposite side of the factory, the seed fiber is removed from the roller machine. The factory's pomegranate shells are taken out because only areoles are required to make pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is then tested in the factory lab for purity. The factory lab tests the taste of the juice, whether any microorganisms are present, and how long it will last. Some factory labs also supplement these juices with extra potassium, magnesium, zinc, and vitamin C. After checking the quality of these juices in the lab, they are ready for packaging. Now we'll see how the pomegranate juice is bottled in the factory. In the factory, the juice bottles are arranged and prepared. Typically, these bottles are made of glass. These glass bottles are then taken to the filling machine, where the juice is filled into them using an automatic filling machine. Water is used to clean the insides of the bottles in the filling line. Pomegranate juice is delivered to the juice filling plant and filled into bottles using a filling machine. Capping machines cover the mouths of these juice-filled bottles with stainless steel caps. In this case, keep in mind that the juice bottles are completely devoid of air, so that the juice doesn't spoil after a long period of time. Then, these bottles go to the leveling machine through the leveling machine line, and leveling is done